Welcome, welcome, welcome to my latest review. Yes, I am on a roll here with reviews, and today I want to talk about it's not a new product, and it's been on Lifetime Deal before, but it's called TeamPal, and it's an AI product. Of course, everything is AI these days, but this product is something that I really do feel is really good. Well, everything that I will share with you, I feel is really good. So let me just go in here and share my screen. And I want to show you what this product does because I'll bring you into my account and you will see here. So this product is called TeamPal. Now, of course, you know, if you could, I would love if you were to actually, well, first of all, grab this through my lifetime deal link. Also, if you could like and comment, that supports my channel and that would be wonderful. Now, what does TeamPal do? TeamPal allows you to create, initially when it started, to create agents. Okay. Now, the first thing that you have to do is you have to set up your brand description, which I've done here of what I do. Okay, this is what I do. I do Premier Private English Language Coaching, and then I can go in and I can create these different agents. So this agent here is to create materials that cater for different proficiency levels and different different needs. And you'll see that I have a lot of generated text here. Now, I can go in here and I give instructions. I say this is general worksheet creator. I say this is what you do. And this description actually is just generated automatically. I can give it the interface here. So it'll tell me what it says, which, I mean, it's neither here nor there for me. The tasks it can do. I can go in here and I can say create a mood board, generate color palette, write compelling copy, develop a brand voice. There's lots of tasks here. In fact, this one I've never actually even used because I'm so happy with what this software does. I mean, it's vast. It can then have superpowers. I can add MCP servers. I've not even touched that yet. I can add skills from the library, that it can analyze data, that it can generate images, that it can read documents, it can do Google searches, etc. So I can add up to 8 skills, it says here. And I can add knowledge, okay, from my knowledge base. Okay, this is all of the knowledge bases that I've put in here are the texts in the knowledge base. And I can select a brand voice, which is my private English classes. And then I can publish this agent as a public agent if I want. Now, I'll just go into enter chat. You'll see here the amount of credits that I have. I've 1,000 credits. Monthly workflow credits. I have 9,000 credits per month of chat. And I've never actually used the workflows, but we'll have a look at that. So here I could say, I want to teach my clients how to be YouTube creators. Create a worksheet. Okay. Now, I can choose the different models here that I want. So I'll use Gemini Pro, and I'll just click here. Now, what this will do is this will go off and start to generate the worksheet for me. And when I do that, it's going to come up, it's going to start reasoning, and it's going to come up with the actual worksheet there. So it takes a few minutes, but it's very, very good. Okay, so this is one thing that it does. Now, what you're going to see in a second, I mean, this always takes time. Let me just grab a coffee here. You're going to see that this takes a few minutes, and then when it's ready, it will come up with the worksheet. Okay, and you will see here that this is the actual prompt here. I could actually edit the message. Okay, so because this is reasoning, it's taking longer. Now, this is my general worksheet, so we'll come back to him in a second. But I have mini apps as well, and mini apps are like you can create images here. So if I go into new project, I can select a use case. I can say I want image generation. I can select a model. I'll go for nano banana. Man or business professional reading a document in a cafe. Okay, quality, I'll just go for default and I'll go for that size. I click on generate and that will go off and it will generate that particular image there. Okay, let's just retry that. Okay, now it could be that because I'm already generating something, there is a problem there. So again, let's have a look. Let's just go in here and Nano Banana Pro. We'll see if that works. And if it doesn't work, well then, isn't this embarrassing? But listen, these things happen. So here it goes on, hands on. So this looks good. That is going to go off and do that. So I'll come back to that mini app. If I go back to my chat, okay, I can actually get AI. Sorry, this is a group chat. I can get the AIs to actually chat to each other. Okay, and I can say, okay, talk to this person and get information about this, etc., etc. Again, I haven't really used that facility that much. Let's just see if this mini app has been done. New project, and here we go. Okay, Daily Grind Company. Okay, that image looks pretty good, I have to say. He has all his fingers. Yeah, okay, so that looks really good. I can download that. What else can I do with the mini apps? Well, as you'll see, when I go into new project, I can select the use case. I could say speech generation. There was one that I got quite excited by, which was dialogue generation. But the problem is you have to manually put in the different voices and the dialogue. So it's a little bit slow to do that. That's where I like Tube on AI to actually do that. Now, if I go back to my agents, go back to my general worksheet, I want to teach my clients, okay, worksheet, YouTube creator's journey. Okay, part one, vocabulary builder. Now, remember that I've said my use case is that I am an English language coach. So reading comprehension, grammar and context, okay, giving advice, real life scenario role play, okay, modern sales techniques, okay, do your pitch, design your channel, okay. So I think this is pretty good. Now, I would, again, like anything, the better the prompt, the better the output, okay. But it allows you to access all these different models very, very easily. What else can I do? Okay, my knowledge of my agent templates, credentials, the AI workflows here. Okay, so here what you can actually do is, as I say, I've never used this. So make a deep research using Sonar model from Perplexity. So I can go in here to this workflow and I can say begin. Okay, and I can actually create a workflow plan here. Okay, research, prompt, and output, and that's it. Now, as I said, I've never used this. If you want me to do a video about this, please let me know. Right now, this is on AppSumo. I use this. Sorry, let me just go back here. I use this app, I would say nearly daily, and I have different ones set up for evaluations. To evaluate my students, I put in all the information that I have, and it creates an evaluation for them. I have it for worksheets for my different companies that I work with, etc. I think it's really good. It's on AppSumo at the moment. There, of course, is a link in the description. I've just used, and I've only shown you the tip of the iceberg, but I really love this. So again, this is Richard approved, and I would actually go and grab this because I think it's really, really good. Okay, so if there is anything left, or if there's any questions, if you want me to go deeper, please leave a comment below and I will schedule that in this, I schedule that in this week to do the broadcast. All right, you've been watching Richard Butler. As always, do the likes, do the comments, support my channel, and you can grab the lifetime deal in the description. Talk to you very, very soon. Have a wonderful